Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block spam calls on your iPhone. To block spam calls on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and unlock your iPhone, and once you see this interface, tap on the receiver icon at the bottom left. Now you'll end up in your phone app. From here, go ahead and tap on the Recents tab at the bottom. Find the number you want to block and then tap on the little eye icon right next to the contact. Now, scroll down and tap on Block Caller. Click on Block Contact to confirm, and then the number will no longer be able to call, text, or FaceTime you. You can also go to the Contacts tab if the contact is not in the recent list. Select a contact, and this will open up the info section where you'll need to scroll all the way down and tap on Block Caller and follow through the prompts. So that's how you easily block spam calls on iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.